are we now, Chef, and what's this all about?
We're actually here in the middle of nowhere. We're in Alcuz, of all places, right? Enjoying this beautiful weather, this space where we can grill over charcoal. Alam mo yun, iba talaga yung uling eh.
Yeah.
And nakakatuwa kasi tingnan mo, ang daming ibang lahi. Parang ano yan? Filipino.
Yeah. What advice can you give for other Filipinos in Dubai na gustong mag-food business?
Try nyo muna as a pop-up. Or try nyo muna kung kaya nyo, kung gusto nyo,
Kung para sa inyo ba to?
kung para talaga sa inyo. Kasi minsan akala natin glamorous siya, pero yun, kailangan mo magligpit after, kailangan mo maghugas ng pinggan, kailangan mo maglinis.
Yes.
Yung mga non-glamorous things, kasama lahat yan. Pero at the same time, sobrang siyang rewarding. Tingnan mo, nakangiti sila. Hanap ka lang ng why mo or bakit mo siyang ginagawa. Kahit gaano kahirap yan, kaya niyo yan.